Hi, everyone. So I'm Fahad from Saudi Arabia. I'm the founder and CEO of 1886 fashion brand. It's a good thing to attend in Executive MSc. There is a lot of things to exchange the knowledge. You will meet many experts. You will get a lot of knowledge in different category. So we had a lot of visit. We visit some stores and we met with the management and we asked them how to manage the stores, and we visit a lot of factories and we met with professors and experts. So it's a good thing, and also to have the connections with the international level. I think that is the big benefit. All the classes I enjoyed, but the one I think the ready to wear, because it's a focus on my business, and a lot of classes like a perfume and jewelry. We got a lot of important information from that class. I think the one I learned in the program is there is a trick and a technique how to manage the business, and that is the most important thing, to have it from expert. My advice, I think it's good to know the knowledge and the process from expert people, better than you try it by yourself and you fall and you go again. It's better to join like these courses and you know the know-how and the process before you mistake.